In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Outlook calendar to your Google Calendar by subscribing via URL. This simple process will enable you to view all your appointments in one convenient place, making your schedule more organized and accessible. So let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the steps to seamlessly integrate your calendars. First, we'll need to open a web browser and search for Outlook. Once you've done that, click on the relevant link to access the Outlook website. Once you're there, sign into your Outlook account using your credentials. This is where your journey to syncing your calendars begins. Upon successfully logging in, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This is your Settings button. Click on it to reveal more options. With the Settings menu open, find and select the option labeled Shared Calendars. This is a crucial step as it allows us to share your chosen calendar for syncing. Here, under the Publish a Calendar section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose the calendar that you wish to share from this drop-down. It's important to make sure that the permission is set to Can View All Details, ensuring that every appointment and meeting is captured. Next, click on the Publish button. Once you do this, an ICS link will generate. This link is the key to adding your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar. Click on the link, and you'll be prompted to copy the URL. Make sure you keep it handy, as we are going to use it in just a moment. Now, open your browser again and search for Google Calendar. Click on the link to go to the Google Calendar website. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to access your calendars. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. There, find and click on the plus sign, plus, next to Other Calendars. This step is where we begin to add the new calendar. Select the option that says From URL from the menu. A new window will open where you can paste the ICS link that you previously copied from Outlook. Insert the URL into the designated field and click Add Calendar. Congratulations! Your Outlook calendar should now appear under Other Calendars in Google Calendar, syncing all of your events and appointments for easy access. With these steps completed, you'll have successfully integrated your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. This integration is not only a significant time saver, but also helps ensure that you are on top of your schedule, no matter which platform you use. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to manage your calendar with ease.